What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Lady Ann, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So guys, in today's video I'll be vlogging for you as always, guys, as always. So yeah, today we are going to buy some groceries. Yeah, so yeah guys, you come along with me. So into engizoyenza manje is to eat. After eating, then I clean the house. After cleaning the house, I am bathing. Then sihamba. I am going with my mother. So yeah guys, continue to stay tuned as always, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. And please guys, subscribe. Road to 50 subscribers, guys. I trust you all. Yeah guys, subscribe in order to be like even guys. I'm going to eat now with my mother, and then eventually then I clean the house. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Done cleaning the house. So right now I'm going to the shop, going to buy ama comprar. So yeah guys, continue to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, please. Now I'm going to bath, guys. So yeah, continue to stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Now I'm going to show you my outfits. day. So continue to stay tuned. I finally arrived, so Mom so tired. So show price. Pick and pay. Yeah, guys. So continue to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.
like velvet ties. Dreams whisper where secrets hide. A fleeting glance, a slow collide. Drift away, let the waves embrace. Drift away, find a softer space. Drift away, feel the world embrace. Footsteps fall on a golden shore. Time dissolves, who's keeping score? Each breath a key to an open door. Close your eyes, hear the colors hum. Every moment speaks, though the world stays numb. Let it echo soft like a muted drum. Drift away.
I'm done. Now I'm waiting for my mother. Sangenela fruit lovers. So I'm still waiting for her. Yeah. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Feel the world erase.
This is the end of the vlog. I hope guys enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. I will continue to be consistent, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, I give you more content. Road to 50 subscribers, guys. So yeah, guys, have a lovely weekend. Bye.